Hello everyone, my name is Steve Zhang, and I'm the founder of Australian AI Music Alliance. Today, I'm excited to share our latest white paper, ISRC-AAM-CID, establishing a global standardized AI music identifier, co-authored by Dr. Robert Lee and myself. This white paper was recently released on our official website and social media channels. In this paper, we introduce an innovative proposal for a global standardized AI music identification system, a groundbreaking solution designed to give AI-generated music a unique identity. Our goal is to bring transparency, fairness, and efficiency to AI music management, protect human music creators, and support the sustainable growth of the global music industry in the AI era. So let's dive in. The music industry functions as a two-way cycle, where creation meets distribution and revenue flows back to its contributors. On one side, we have music creation, a journey that starts with songwriting by composers and lyricists, followed by recording and production, where producers, vocalists, instrumentalists, and engineers shape the final sound. Once completed, these songs are distributed on platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, making them accessible to listeners worldwide. On the other side, we have revenue collection and distribution. After the song is streamed or purchased, earnings must be fairly distributed among the creators. Songwriters receive royalties through music publishers via music work copyright. Performers and song recording contributors earn revenue through record labels, aggregators, and CMOs, via performance and song recording copyrights. But how do we ensure fair compensation for every contributor? It all comes down to accurate metadata and unique identifiers. The foundation of music revenue relies on three key elements: credits, recognizing every creator, such as composers, producers, vocalists, engineers, etc. Identifiers, ensuring each recording has a unique ID for tracking and rights management. And lastly, metadata, providing essential details for proper royalty distribution. These three pillars power the music economy, ensuring transparency, accuracy, and fairness in revenue flow. With the right system in place, every creator gets the recognition and the payment they deserve. Currently, the International Standard Recording Code, aka ISRC, is used to uniquely identify sound recordings and music videos worldwide. It consists of three parts: prefix code, which is to identify the registrant; year of reference indicates the year of assignment; and lastly, destination code, a unique identifier for the recording. Each ISRC includes metadata below: title of the song, main artist, initial release year, genre, duration, songwriters, music producer, performers, engineers such as recording engineer, mixing engineer, and mastering engineer. This metadata is crucial for tracking and managing rights, ensuring that every contributor is credited and properly compensated. However, the rise of AI-generated music has sparked major concerns about copyright ownership, creator compensation, and tracking management. Unlike traditional music creation, the AI music process follows four key stages: data collection and pre-processing. AI gathers and organizes vast amounts of music data. Model training. AI learns to recognize patterns, styles, and structures. Music generation. AI composes music based on text, audio, and predefined inputs. Lastly, post-production optimization. AI refines and enhances the final track. AI is making breakthrough advancements in composition, arrangement, and mixing, enhancing creativity for professionals while allowing anyone to generate music effortlessly. But with innovation comes challenges. AI-generated music raises 4 major concerns. First of all, identification overload. AI can produce thousands of tracks daily, overwhelming current music management systems. Copyright disputes. Who owns the rights? The prerequisite is to identify the AI involvement in a song. Royalty distribution. Human creators risk losing fair compensation as AI-generated music floods streaming platforms, reducing their revenue share. And lastly, inadequate tracking. AI's role in a song is often unrecorded, making proper crediting and royalty distribution inconsistent and inaccurate. These challenges highlight the urgent need for an upgraded identification system, one that can accurately identify and manage AI-generated music. Now, let's dive into the core of this white paper, the AI music participation weighting calculation system. To classify AI involvement in music creation, we use a weighted system based on key music roles, including composer, lyricist, producer, vocalist, instrumentalist, and more. Each role has a different weight. For example, for composer, the weight is 20%, lyricist, 15%, music producer, 18%, vocalist, 15%, instrumentalist, 10%, recording engineer, 8%, mixing engineer, 10%, and mastering engineer, 4%. It's adjustable based on the real scenario, case by case. Each role is assigned an AI usage level. 0% means no AI involvement, 50% AI assisted, and 100% fully AI generated. Then the AI involvement score is calculated by multiplying each role's weight by its AI participation level, summing the values and dividing by 100 to get the final AI percentage. For example, in this case, the composer is AI assisted, lyricist is AI generated, producer no AI, vocalist AI generated, instrumentalist AI generated, recording engineer no AI, mixing engineer AI assisted, mastering engineer no AI. Based on the formula below, the final AI participation is 55%. If you refer to the table on your right-hand side, you will see the AAM classification table. AAM stands for AI application music, which categorizes tracks based on their level of AI involvement. AM0 stands for the fully human-created song. AM1, primarily human-created music. AM2, partially AI-assisted. AM3, deep AI involvement. And AM4, primarily AI-generated song. So in this case, because it is 55%, so it's a deep AI involvement song. So it's AM3. Looking ahead, the future of music creation will be a collaboration between human artists and AI. To reflect this co-owned music process, it's essential to introduce the AAM code alongside the ISRC. This ensures that AI's role in music production is accurately tracked and classified. However, as we've discussed, tracking AI-generated music remains a major challenge. To address this, we integrate trust networks, decentralized storage, leveraging the power of blockchain for enhanced security, traceability, and royalty distribution. What is Crust Network? Crust Network is a blockchain-based decentralized storage solution. When a song is uploaded to the Crust Network, it generates a unique CID, aka Content Identifier, a proof of ownership that securely logs the song's metadata and activity. This CID ensures verifiable ownership of music assets, accurate tracking of usage and rights management, and seamless integration with royalty distribution systems. The full AI music management workflow shows like this chart. First of all, the user uploads music files and provide AI participation data and metadata. Second, the organization will generate ISRC and AAM classification, assign an ISRC code along with appropriate AAM level to classify AI involvement. Third, they will store the music on the decentralized network, secure the storage on Crust Network, and generates a unique CID as proof of ownership. Then next, the blockchain registration. All metadata is securely recorded on blockchain, ensuring transparency and traceability. And lastly, publishing and the royalty tracking. The music is released on streaming platforms, where royalties are automatically tracked and distributed. So here's an example of the identifier, US ABC 23 00005. So this is an ISRC code. AM3, the AI identification code, then the CID code afterward. This new standard builds upon the existing ISRC system by introducing an innovative AI music participation weighting algorithm to expand AI application music field. Additionally, it integrates a decentralized storage solution to generate a corresponding CID field, enabling blockchain-based provenance authentication. By implementing this standardized framework, AI-generated music can be accurately categorized. Music copyright management will become more standardized and transparent. Royalty distribution mechanisms will be optimized accordingly, and the full traceability of AI music will be ensured. So, what's next? How do we take ISRC-AAM-CID from an idea to a global standard? First, we need to spread the word. We'll work with IFPI, the organization behind ISRC, and ISRC agencies worldwide to introduce and promote this new system. The goal is to make ISRC-AAM-CID a recognized and widely accepted standard for AI music identification. Next, we will build proof of concept and automation. We'll create step-by-step tutorials to show exactly how the system works in practice, and if possible, we will look at automating parts of the process to make adoption even easier. Then we'll explore blockchain integration. So by working with blockchain-based AI music platforms, we can ensure that the music ownership, metadata, and the royalties are secure, transparent, and verifiable. Finally, we'll collaborate with legal and the policymakers. To truly establish this as a global standard, we need clear rules and policies that define AI music ownership and rights. We'll work with lawmakers, industry leaders, and the regulators to make that happen. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you'd like to learn more about the ISRC-AAM-CID system, please visit aauaimusic.com or contact us at admin@aauaimusic.com. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and working together to build the future of the music management ecosystem. Thank you.